In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create nested bullet lists in Obsidian, turning your messy notes into beautifully organized, multi-level outlines. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. Start by launching Obsidian on your device and opening the vault where you want to create your nested list. Then open an existing note, or if you're just practicing, create a brand new note. Either works perfectly. Position your cursor where you want the list to begin, and it's often a good idea to leave a blank line above it for better readability. To create a top-level bullet, simply type a hyphen followed by a space, then enter your first list item. Press Enter to move to the next line and add another bullet point. This gives you your first two parent items. Now, to create a child bullet, press Enter at the end of a list item and then press the Tab key. This indents the line. Type a hyphen and a space and enter your child item text. You've just created your first nested level. For additional child items, press Enter again and continue adding related sub-items at the same indentation level. If you need a second level of nesting, press Tab once more beneath the child item to create an even deeper sub-item. You can continue indenting as needed to build a multi-level structure that organizes your information into logical layers. If you ever want to return to the previous level, simply press Shift plus Tab to move back one indentation. Once you have your structure, you can add more parent items by continuing to create top-level bullets and grouping related information together. This technique is fantastic for outlines, make major topics parent bullets, and add details as child bullets. For projects, use project phases as parent items with tasks and subtasks underneath. You can even create nested checklists by replacing the hyphen with a hyphen, space, and brackets, turning your bullets into checkboxes that track tasks and subtasks in the same structure. When you're done typing, switch to Reading View or Live Preview to see how your nested list displays. You can also click the collapse arrow beside a parent item to hide or show child items as needed. If you need to reorganize, simply move bullets up or down to keep the hierarchy clean. Finally, review your structure, checking that indentation levels are correct and all child items belong under the right parent. You can now use nested bullet lists throughout your vault for meeting notes, project plans, research documents, and outlines, creating clear, structured notes that are easy to navigate and maintain. Thanks for watching, and happy note-taking.